Hey, good morning. So, it's about 7 a.m. in Minnesota. I've been up for about 2 hours already. The only thing I'm missing to do on my to-do list is have a workout. This video is about XRP. Yesterday I went long. There it is. There's the statement. Wait, somewhere there. I think you can see it. That's the statement right there. So I bought 441 euros worth of XRP, which adds up to about 1.738, which is great because XRP is already up about 10%, maybe a little bit more since I went in. We are going to go into the charts and I'm going to explain what I've done and where I'm going to get out if something goes wrong, and then I'll look for another buy because I'm not a buy and hold for far too long kind of guy. I'm the type of guy that finds an opportunity, gets in, and expects to make money quickly in the next couple of days, maybe weeks. And if that doesn't happen, I look for an exit and I move my money somewhere else. I like my money to be busy. Yeah, so let's go into the charts and I'll explain exactly why I bought XRP Euro. Keep in mind, this is only the third time, not the second, the third time I'm going in with physical coins instead of trading the price. The first one was Bitcoin when it was at about 1.4k. No, when it was about $400, I bought about 1.2k euro. The other time was XRP at about 14 cents. There was a beautiful little contraction there that was indicating a bullish move. And then it just spiked right up to about 70, 80 cents. And I went out there. And now this time, buying it at 25 cents. A little under 25 cents and going long. So, well, no, 25 cents, right? 20 something. Anyway, talking too much. Let's go into the charts. Okay, so here's XRP for you. This is my entry at the break of this level here. I went long. I wanted to go in earlier. Oh, excuse me, I'm a little tired. Didn't sleep much. So I wanted to go in long much earlier than this, but also I don't want to lie and say I went the perfect entry over here. It didn't work out that way. Here's where I wanted to enter. I'll show you on the 4 hour. That's where I wanted to enter, at the break of this. But by the time I did everything, it spiked too quickly. So at the break of this here. Because we had a break, then we had a retest right there, and then boom, push up. So that's where I wanted to enter. We're going to focus here only on the daily chart. There is no reason for 4 hour because we're not looking to enter into anything. We're already riding something. So the key levels, the black levels, these are my profit levels where I might be getting out. The important thing is whenever what's it called, XRP made such a contraction at a low level, it usually spiked real hard, such as here, and then there's another one here, just a little contraction right there. Whenever it did that on the daily, it spiked really hard. So that's the reason for my entry. You can see really strong spikes. Check this out. This one was big. This one was big. This one was huge here. And you can see it. It's there. It's always been there. A nice little contraction of price. Seen better on the 4 hour, of course, but there it is. Breakout and then boom. So you can see that this is clearly an important price somewhere between, 1860, which is this level here where it spiked the hardest, and then 20 something. You can see it be important, and I'll show you why. There's the bottom right there, and there's the bottom of our spike. We have a spike here, and then we went a little higher, and we made this contraction and bounced up, and then spike again to the same level, pretty much, and then boom, up. We are above this resistance. We closed above it. I don't think that 25,390 is going to be a resistance. We should see bullish momentum from now on, and I'm expecting really a strong push today, tomorrow, where we're going to see this level be reached, which is 36,335 or even 33,735. Excuse me, I'm yawning a lot. Ideally, we would want to see a push to 42 cents. But I don't want to be such a big optimist on things. If it happens, it happens. If not, I'm getting out at either or this level or that level. The reason for entry is the basic contraction at a level or an area, more importantly, where price action has spiked on contractions. And I've showed you them. 1, 2, 3. 3 big contractions all around the same level. You can see they're all around the same level. Generally, you can also see, if you go here, you can also see contractions here. There's a nice little contraction right there, right before that massive spike. So Kraken only added this later, but basically this is what I traded last time. You see there's a contraction right there, and then we had to bounce up. Of course, easier shown in the past than traded, so I'm showing you a live one that I'm trading right now. Yeah, we gotta break this consolidation area over here. There was a continuation of selling right there. This is a continuation of selling. Contraction pointing straight. This one's pointing down. When they're pointing down, usually bounces up. In any case, I don't have much to add. I'm telling you, just these are the key levels that I'm targeting. There they are, absolutely all of them. I can add you a few more, and if you want to take a screenshot or something, just to understand where my key trading levels are at. These are levels where bigger money, bigger than us, has moved price away from buying or selling. Such as here, there was buyers, and then somebody much bigger than those buyers went boom. Nope, price is going down. And then here the same, buy, and then back down here. So you can see these are important levels. And when they get broken, that means they're being ignored. That right now, that is not what's important for price. Back in, December 22nd, 33,982 was far too much. That's why they pushed it down. So I don't have the time to go over lessons and stuff. I got 28 minutes to work out and have a breakfast. So I'm out. Just showing this here. I showed you the statement. You can also see it on my Instagram. Just search for my name. And that's pretty much it. I'll keep an update on this to the community. And if I make a lot of money, I'll let you guys know. And if I lose a lot of money, I'll let you know too. Anyway, thank you and have a good day.